Hi guys, today we talk about how can you shut down on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this, so you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on shut down here. So then automatically it's going to shut down on your iPhone. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.